you imagine looking for a waterfall in an industrial estate? We are.
Alright, we're currently in an industrial estate in Brookvale, in the middle of Business Central, where you'd never expect to find any form of waterfall, and here we are, surrounded by millions of spiders, the St Andrews crosses I think. I don't know, that one's about as big as my hand and I'm not going near that. And then there's these little steps once you walk down, and then we see our first bit of water down here. Apparently there's these big waterfalls that I don't know where they are, but we've come down here for a quick little explore and we're going to find out. You wouldn't expect to find this in the middle of an industrial estate, would you?
No, not at all. Not at all.
Okay, so we found the falls, they're just down to my left. We're now finding a way to get down there. I think I just did. Now watch me whip. Now watch me fall on my ass. That's pretty much. Holy crap. Big ass water dragon. Ta-da! Okay, so
Beautiful shot. Cool. Another day, another beautiful waterfall. What can we say? We walk out of an industrial estate, 5-minute walk, and here we are looking at this. Good day.
want to explain what we just witnessed?
Sort of strange. We saw a St Andrews cross spider on the way in. We thought, oh, we'll photograph him on the way out when the sun's a bit better. And we've walked back along the track. We've noticed that he's starting to shed his skin. So as he's shedding, another spider's actually come in and bitten him. And we've watched it go up and down the web. So it's bite, retreat, bite, retreat, bite, retreat. And all of a sudden the smaller spiders, one, has as the St Andrews Cross has got his legs caught up in his shed, the little spider's just come in, whack, 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 and now he's lunch. Nature is nature. Everybody's got to eat. You got the keys.
Yeah, very true. Dish around in my pocket for half an hour.
Nothing crazy every day. Something different.
Another successful waterfall shoot.
It was a successful waterfall shoot. It was actually, even though there wasn't a great deal of water flowing, it was still a very nice spot. And you know, you think about it, you look around you, and no one would ever expect to find a waterfall 5 minutes walk from here. It's quite an easy walk too, nothing difficult about it. It is uphill, but water doesn't flow uphill, so you've got to walk to the top to get there.